What is energy? Scientists define energy as the ability to do work. We use energy to move cars along roads and boats through water, to cook food on stoves, to make ice in freezers, and to light our homes. There are many sources of energy: solar energy, electric energy, and wind energy. Did you know that energy can neither be created nor destroyed? It can change from one form to another. Many forms of energy exist, but they all fall into two basic categories: potential and kinetic energy. First, we will talk about potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy and the energy of position. There are types of potential energy: chemical, mechanical, nuclear, and gravitational energy. Chemical energy is energy stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. Batteries, biomass, petroleum, natural gas, and coal are examples of chemical energy. Mechanical energy is energy stored in objects by tension. Compressed springs and stretched rubber bands are examples of stored mechanical energy. Nuclear energy is energy stored in the nucleus of an atom, the energy that holds the nucleus together. Large amounts of energy can be released when the nuclei are combined or split apart. Gravitational energy is energy stored in an object's height. When a person rides a bicycle down a steep hill and picks up speed, the gravitational energy is converting to motion energy. Hydropower is another example of this, where gravity forces water down through a hydroelectric turbine to produce electricity. Next is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the motion of waves, electrons, atoms, molecules, substances, and objects. There are types of kinetic energy: radiant, thermal, motion, and electrical energy. Radiant energy is electromagnetic energy that travels in transverse waves. Radiant energy includes visible light, X-rays, gamma rays, and radio waves. Light is one type of radiant energy. Sunshine is radiant energy, which provides the fuel and warmth that make life on Earth possible. Thermal energy or heat is the energy that comes from the movement of atoms and molecules in a substance. Heat increases with increases in the speed that these particles move. Geothermal energy is the thermal energy in the Earth. Motion energy is energy stored in the movement of objects. The faster they move, the more energy is stored. It takes energy to get an object moving, and energy is released when an object slows down. Wind is an example of motion energy. Electrical energy is delivered by tiny charged particles called electrons, typically moving through a wire. Lightning is an example of electrical energy in nature. Hope you learned something. Thank you for listening.